Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about analyze the function. So now I will show you the technique. First, we have the function in here. So we need to find first the derivative of the function. You will got about 2 sin x cosine x plus sin x. Now we can do about factorization with sin x. Next, we need to find critical points. So in this situation, we would about first the derivative of the function equals to number 0 in here. So we got about sin x multiplied with 2 cosine x plus 1 equals to number 0 in here. So we have two solutions. Sin x equal to 0 and 2 cosine x plus 1 equal to 0 in here. For this one, you got about cosine x equal to negative 1 over 2. For this one, we got about s equals to k b, and k should belong to integers. About this one, we got about s equals to 2b over 3 plus k2b and negative 2b over 3 plus k2b, because the question they asked from on the interval from 0 to 2b. So the answer for this one, you will got about s equals to, we put k equals to number 0 in here, so you got about 0, and I put k number 1, you got about p, and we put number 2, you got about 2b in here. This one, we got put k equal to number 0, so you got about 2b over 3. And this one, we put k equal to number 1, you got about 4p over 3. So we just find about critical points of this one. Next, we need to draw the table in here. So that should be like this. This is about s, this is about first derivative of the function, and this is about fx. We will start from the 0 in here. So we have 2b over 3 in here, b in here, 4b over 3 in here, and 2b in here. So we got about 0, 0, 0, 0, and the 0 in here. So this one, you got about positive, negative, positive, negative. How can I find the positive in here? So between from 0 to 2b over 3, I will choose the number first derivative b over 3 Because p over 3 is between 2p over 3 and number 0, I put p over 3 in this one in here, and I got about positive number. That's about the square root of number 3. This is about the positive number, that's why I put positive in here. Now about this one, we have 0, 2p over 3, p, 4p over 3 and 2p. We put this one go in here. So if I put f of 0 in here, so I put number 0 in here and 0 in here, I will get about negative number 1. So negative number 1 should be in here. Because first derivative of the function is positive, so they will increase in here. So we put 2p over 3 in here, and you got about 5 over 4. Because we have the negative, so they decrease in. We put p in here, and you got about number 1. Now this is about 5 over 4. This is about negative number 1. So we can say that decreasing, and we know that is from 2p over 3 to p. And 4p over 3 to 2p. Increasing. That should be about from 0 to 2p over 3. And b go to 4p over 3. Next, local mass. That should be about 5 over 4. As s equal to 2p over 3 and 4p over 3. Local mean, we just got about number 1 in here when s equal to p in here. Then the next one, this is about left hand and right hand, and that's about negative number 1. This is left, this is about right. And now we need to wrap the function in here. So we put about zero s y. This is about 2b over 3. This is about b, 4b over 3, and we have 2b in here. We put about number 1 in here, negative number 1 in here. This is about 5 over 4. So the first one, the ball in here, this ball in here, this ball in here, and this ball in here. So the graph should be like this. something like this. That's the end. Thank you for watching.